So you never want to ride around looking like everybody else, right? So let me show you what we're going to do with this truck. What's up everyone, this is Wayne from Satin Black. I hope you had an awesome summer. I have another project in from one of my awesome customers that we have done plenty of work with in the past. If you haven't seen the Jeep wrap video, check that out right here. Fully wrapped Jeep. We did a bunch of things to that. The thing came out looking sick. We wrapped that thing twice, and now we wrapped it also in his favorite color, red, and he's been getting a lot of attention with that thing, and it looks awesome. So now we have another vehicle of his in, and we're gonna be doing some FTV faded stuff on that as well. So I'm gonna try to run down the list to what we're gonna do with this, okay? Bow ties are gonna be getting wrapped. Front bumper and rear bumper corners will be getting wrapped, all satin black. Window tint, 20% on the front. We're not gonna go too crazy with that. We're gonna remove the side moldings, and we're also gonna do satin black on the hood middle, and we're gonna do satin black on the rear tailgate, sorry. And then we'll also be doing plasti dipping all the 2500 emblems. He didn't want to remove them, so we're just gonna do them black, so they blend in with that satin black wrap that we're gonna be doing as well. So you guys know I like making videos like this. I know you guys like the instructional videos where I'm showing you tips and showing you tricks on how to do some window tinting things, but I also like showing you things that Fade the Black does as well. Like I said, we do a lot more than just window tinting, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to show you guys video of that as well, but I will have more tips and tricks. You guys subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. So let's recap. What did we do to this truck? We got the windows tinted, 20% front match. We got the bumper wrapped, Avery satin black. We got the grill wrapped, Avery satin black. We got the rear bumper corners wrapped, Avery satin black. We wrapped the back of the tailgate, Avery satin black. The bow tie in the black, Avery satin black. And I did the bow tie in the front with the gloss back to kind of give it a little different effect to it. We also plasti dipped all the Silverado emblems, and then I took off the door moldings on both sides and cleaned that up. So it was kind of a little bit of a project. Oh, don't forget, we also got the hood with Avery satin black going down the hood. One customer's vision, I just helped them make it happen. So comment down below, let me know what you think about the truck that's been faded, it's been wrapped. I think it looks good, different than all the rest. I know these bumpers, these trucks are coming with a lot of chrome on them. We got rid of all that chrome. We got it all blacked out, we got it faded, and we got it wrapped. Man, thanks for watching this video. Smash that subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss notifications, and I'll be back with another video. I got more stuff to show you guys. I know it's getting to be fall, it's getting to be cold out soon, but I got more stuff to show you guys. So man, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next video. Stay faded. Peace.